The Adventure King's 160 watt folding solar panel kit comes with everything you need to power your entire campsite. The first thing you notice is that the 160 watt folding solar panel is lightweight. It's built with an aluminium frame and compact adjustable legs that make it easy to carry, position and transport. The 160 watt folding solar panel uses monocrystalline solar cells with the latest 5BB technology. That means it's highly efficient and can put out around 9 amps of power per full hour of sunlight. On the back, you'll see the 4-meter lead with PWM regulator and quick connect plug, plus a pair of alligator clips to make connecting to any 12-volt system super easy. You can go directly onto your battery box or your 12-volt control panel, or onto the battery terminals using the quick connect plugs and alligator clips. The regulator also has a USB port for charging your devices, as well as an optional DC output and load circuit function with quick on-off buttons. The whole kit folds up nice and small and goes into the protective bag, which makes packing it into your vehicle super easy. With everything you need to charge your battery and power your entire campsite, the Adventure King's 160 watt folding solar panel kit is the perfect choice for your next adventure.